Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Havoc. In this one, we're gonna unbox the Logitech for Creators LITRA GLOW. Logitech is one of the brands that you go to when you need peripherals for your system. I've been a Logitech partner for a long time. I really value that relationship. They have great products. When they start jumping into the content creator world with lights and stuff, I really wanted to take a look at this, and they were kind enough to send this along for me to unbox for you. So let's go and get it unboxed. Roll the intro. Alright, so we have the Logitech for Creators LITRA GLOW. This is a premium streaming light with TrueSoft, and we've got TrueSoft desktop app controlled, USB on the top here for creators, side LITRA GLOW. App talks about the actual some of the specs for it, and on the back here we have TrueSoft technology, 3-way adjustable monitor mount, adjustable brightness and color, and then a frameless diffuser. The really kind of cool thing about this is I was able to see it in use at TwitchCon. Over at the Donor Drive Charity Arcade booth, we had 2 streaming stations, and we had these on top of the monitors, the lights for the content creators to use. So they were nice and bright for the dark space, but they weren't like super intrusive. So these were perfect for that. So let's go and pop this open. That's one of the things I really liked about this light. It's just how small it was, but it wasn't really, doesn't take up a whole lot of space. Put that there. Okay, nice recyclable packaging. You know how we like to do that. So we have LITRA GLOW, this quick start guide, safety instructions. On the bottom here, we have a cable. I'm not gonna pop that out because I'm gonna assume it's a USB-C. And on the back, yes it is, USB-C. So we got a USB-A to USB-C. That's nice. Tells you where to go download the software. Logitech.com/creator/download. On the front here, we have the light, and this is the monitor mount. So what you can do here is you put your monitor here, you pop this. This goes over to the front of your monitor, and then you're able to move the light here. So there's some rubber here on the bottom side of this lip so it doesn't scratch up your monitor, because we know a lot of bezels now are pretty thin. And then we have some rubber on the bottom here so it doesn't scratch up the back of your monitor. So they thought of everything there. So you can pop the actual light off of this mount if you wanted to put it onto another mount. So there are kind of some older mic mounts off Amazon, like $10 ones you can mount this to. Or if you have a tripod mount, you can do that as well. I use tripod mounts for quite a few of my cameras and lights, even my webcam. So we'll pop this back on. Pretty good angle, so we can go that far back. We can go that far forward. It's pretty well made. This is plastic on the bottom, but really you're not worried about the mount as long as it doesn't scratch your monitor. You're really just worried about the light. So let me get this plugged in. What we have is the power in the middle, and then we have the brightness and dim buttons over here. You can see it's pretty bright. We won't flash the camera, but it's pretty bright just to start with. We have the brightness options over here on the side. Let's pop that up nice and bright as it goes. We'll go down pretty dim. It won't go all the way in and show you. Let me turn off my ring light here, and you can kind of see how this looks. Let's light up the actual box here. Sorry for the cable in the way. It has actually a really nice long USB-C cable, so you can plug it in your computer to power it. So this is the dimmest, and we'll go here. We'll start brightening it up. We have a LITRA GLOW, lighting up a LITRA GLOW. So pretty nice light there. It looks pretty good. Let's put it back down. That's the dark, and then we'll head over to the white light. It's a pretty cool looking effect. We'll brighten that up. So I know the camera's kind of auto-focusing and adjusting for some stuff, but I think this is a pretty good job at lighting things up. I have pretty poor lighting in this room I'm recording in, so this is actually going to be pretty good for streams. I have the ring light I use for recording these videos, but this will be good just for a kind of a light to backlight some stuff. Speaking of backlights, you can put this behind you and flash it against the wall for nice bright up the area behind you. So really cool light, and small form factor. I like it. I could see this being useful if for some reason you travel and you want to do streams from like a hotel room or something. This is really nice and compact for you to be able to take that with you. And again, this unscrews, so you can just take the light if you wanted to, if you have like a little micro tripod. that would work as well. So great work here, Logitech for creators. I like to see you keep evolving your products for content creators. Get our light back on here. Turn that off. Thank you, Logitech, for sending this my way to unbox for you all. Hope you enjoyed that video, and we will see you in the next one.